Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing awesome. So like I mentioned in my last video, I'm trying to create videos sharing my top 3 or top 4 different makeup products. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my top 4 mascaras, and again I'm going to be starting as usual from affordable to the most expensive ones. So there's everything in different ranges. And yeah, let's jump into the video. So when we say affordable, we have to talk about this brand, and that is Maybelline. This is the one I'm talking about. This is an affordable waterproof mascara. Now Maybelline products are generally really good, you can trust them. Okay, so this video is gonna be really difficult because मुझे हर mascara के लिए पहले अपना ये वाला mascara हटाना होगा, then दूसरा लगाना होगा, and if you apply mascara, you know how difficult that can be, but no worries, I'm gonna do it. So I've just taken this and I'm gonna apply. Just ignore the funny faces that I make while applying mascara. So alright, so this is the first coat and I'm gonna get really close because दूर से दिख नहीं रहा है इतना. I not use any eyelash curler, so it did uplift my lashes, and this is just one coat. So अगर आपको और ज़्यादा volume या और ज़्यादा elongation चाहिए तो you can apply multiple coats, but मुझे personally multiple coats बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. So I usually keep it up to 1 or maximum 2. So yeah, this is how this looks. I think it's pretty amazing, and this is one of my favorite mascaras, especially from affordable range. Alright, time to move on to the next one. The next one is from Daily Life Forever 52. This is again something that I really like. So I'm gonna apply this on my other lash. Now the one thing that I like about this is it's so lightweight. It's so lightweight कि you won't really feel कि आपने कुछ अपनी lashes पे लगाया हुआ है. So I don't like applying false lashes. So I try to find a mascara that gives me that length and volume, plus it's not heavy. Because अगर वो heavy कर रहा है, then what's the point, right? So I think this does that job really well. It gives you volume. See how beautiful. It gives you that volume. It's not at all heavy, and it does the job really well. Okay, so the next one is from MAC Cosmetics. It's the MAC Stack Mascara. Oh god, this is gonna be so tough taking off. I use this one like almost all the time. I just love the volume it gives, the length it gives. Honestly speaking, I don't even know कि camera में इतना capture हो पा रहा है कि नहीं, but you need to trust me on this. It does the job really well. Oh my god, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? So lightweight, it's so amazing that I cannot stress enough. Alright, time for the last mascara of the video, which is again from the most expensive side, the Dior mascara. And it has a good size wand, which makes easier for the person to apply mascara. And I haven't even applied one coat yet, and you can already see the length it gives me. This is unbelievable. Can you see the uplift that it has given me? Really, I would just admit I used 2 coats of this one. Oh my god, I cannot believe it. Like I've used it a lot of times, but इतना uplift तो मैंने first time देखा. Like wow. Like, इसके बाद you definitely don't need falsies. Like it's already looking like कि मैंने eyelash लगाई हुई है. It's so beautiful. It's so lightweight and it gives you that perfect uplift, length and volume. So I think इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद you definitely know Dior one is my favorite, but definitely बाकी 3 options are also one of my favorites. So depending on your budget and depending on how much you want to actually spend, I have given you options from all the ranges. I hope this video is gonna be helpful for you finding a product that suits best for your needs. And like I said, I'm gonna be creating more videos for different makeup products. If you're enjoying watching the series and my videos, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and keep looking forward for my videos.